Hello and welcome to my channel Bit by Curiosity. In today's video, we will learn about dependent drop-down list. So let's begin. I have considered the same data that we used in last tutorial, where we had created a drop-down for employee separation reason. In case you missed watching that video, I will leave the link in description box below. I have entered one more drop-down list, which is a dependent drop-down list, in the next column, which is detailed reason. So, if we say Tina left the organization due to personal reason, we want to take a note of detailed reason. So, the dependent drop-down list reflects two options, health issues or relocation. However, let's try and change the main reason to better opportunity. And now the drop-down list has two new values, compensation and higher role. These lists are called as dependent drop-down list. Since the list is dynamic and depends upon another value. Let's see how to make a dependent drop-down list. Now, for exit reasons, compensation and higher role are classified under better opportunity. Higher education has two classifications, higher education in India or higher education in abroad. Personal reason is classified into health issues or relocation, and others considers of own business or taking a break. Let's just write it down again. Now that we are ready, we will give names to this column. We will create name ranges. A simple way to do so is go to Formula tab, select the table and click on Create from Selection. Check only top row, because the names mentioned in top rows of these columns will be considered for naming the ranges. So now the set of cells are named as better opportunity. The next one is higher education. You can also manually set the names by selecting the range of cells and changing the name in name box. Please note, name ranges do not allow spaces. Hence, better opportunity is combined as one word. Higher education is combined as one word. Let's go to the second step of this exercise. Let's go to the main sheet again. Select the range where you want dependent drop-down list to be. Click on Data, then Data Validation. In Allow, select List, and in Source, this is a very important step. In Source, we will write indirect H2. H2 is the cell that contains the main drop-down. Indirect function returns a reference to a range. So if H2 will have better opportunity, the corresponding values will reflect in I2 drop-down, which would be compensation and higher role. Similarly, the values will change basis the data in original drop-down. Click on OK to make these changes. Let's try it out. So now, drop-down against higher education is showing India or abroad. In next row, drop-down against better opportunity is showing compensation or higher role. Let's try and change this better opportunity to personal. And our dependent drop-down changes again. So that's it for this video. If you like my video, do click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Do share your comments on which Excel formulas and problem statements I should cover in my next video. Stay safe, keep learning, and bye-bye for now.